Hey y'all, so this is how you open your trunk without pressing any buttons. First you gotta make sure your car door is locked. Then you go to the back and just stand there at the trunk and just open it. Then you can close that. Also, if you want to lock or open your car door without using your car key, all you gotta do is press this button right here. That's gonna open the car door. Then you close it. Right now it's open. So to lock it, all you gotta do is press that button again. Then it locks.